The Delsey Clavel Hardside is one of Delsey's lightest hardside luggage collections. Available in a variety of muted and bright colours, this case is great for business or leisure travel. Measuring 21.65 by 13.77 by 9.84 inches, this case meets the carry-on size requirements for most US domestic and international airlines. It's super lightweight, weighing just 5.3 pounds. This hardside carry-on is made from durable recycled polypropylene and has a part textured, part smooth exterior. There are no exterior compartments on the Delsey Clavel, so you'll need to carry your passport and travel documents in a separate personal item. There's an integrated TSA combination lock on the exterior of the case that locks the main compartment. The Delsey Clavel has a coloured zipper to expand your case by 2 inches. Just be careful not to exceed the size restrictions for your airline when using it. The telescopic handle retracts inside the case, so it does take up a little of the packing space inside the main compartment. This case only has handles on the top and side of the bag for carrying. There's no bottom handle, but the hard shell is indented to help when lifting it in and out of the overhead compartment. The handles are sturdy and retract back when not in use. However, there's no cushioning on the handles. The telescoping handle is adjustable to 4 heights using the button on the handle. The telescopic handle isn't the smoothest to operate, but it does feel sturdy when extended. The 4 double spinner wheels are slightly recessed in the hard shell for protection. The wheels roll smoothly and manoeuvre well on a variety of surfaces. This case opens like a clamshell with 2 interior packing areas. One side of the case has an open packing space with compression straps to hold your clothes in place. The other packing compartment has a zippered divider with a mesh pocket included. There's also a handy pocket along the spine to stash smaller items. The Securitech zips are 3 times more durable than standard zips and deter thieves, but they're not the smoothest running. Overall, the Delsey Clavel Hardside Spinner is an incredibly lightweight case that expands for extra packing space and has some useful internal packing features. To complete the set, there's also a slim carry-on, a medium, large and extra large checked suitcases available in the Delsey Clavel collection.